Hey there, hope everyone is doing well. I am about to check on my compost bin. The fan is running, so hopefully you can hear me, but this is the bin, and I kid you not, it was filled to the brim 3 times, and each time it was sunk down. I added more. I added probably 2 layers of leaf mulch. So I have not messed with this, so let's see what we have. You can see a lot of ants. It does feel moist underneath. I had the cardboard. Oh wow. This is the leaf mulch. Wow, that's like this is in the plastic. Oh, I need to bring a paper bag so I can get these are from the envelopes. Oh, you see all the you can see there's a worm there. Let's see. So some of it they can't get to the plastic. Oh wow. I know I tossed some dirt in here as well. See this corn cob? You used to see it. And this bone of something, but they ate the inside. Let's see. Oh wow. So I'm just gonna take some of this and put it in my container pots. And I'll just take out the paper. Oh, the ants are a little crazy. Wow. Wow, everything is gone. It mixed in with the dirt because I also added dirt, and you could see some of the leaf didn't get eaten, but that's fine. I just put that in the ground as long as there's no like still meat particles. Oh, you see that? Yay! I'm pretty happy with the system. I'm gonna move it because we're getting a new air conditioner, and I have it next to it right now. But okay, some ants got on me, but yeah. So I'm gonna put these in my planters, but this is what you can expect. I'll keep some of the paper, but I'll take some of this out. Wow, yay! And let me smell it. Yeah, it smells like dirt. Over there I have bones, and for the bones I'm just gonna make sure I put it in a spot that the animals won't even think about getting into, so it's probably gonna be a pot. And then the leaf and then everything else I'm just gonna disperse within the garden. I have other yard work to do, so I'm not gonna be able to finish with this, but I'll catch up with this later. So I'm just gonna put the cardboard stuff back to keep the moisture in and wrap it up another day. But thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening. Bye.
Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this.